Want to join Instagram? Let's create your account using your email address. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Search for Instagram and tap Install. Once installed, open the app. Tap Create New Account. Then, select Sign Up with Email. Enter your email address and tap Next. You'll receive a verification code by email. Open your inbox and copy the code. Enter the code in Instagram to verify. Set a password for your account. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. Add your full name. Create a username for your account. Finally, add a profile picture and tap Done. That's it! You now have a new Instagram account ready to use. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.